Hey, typical tourist fans. Welcome to beautiful Siesta Key, Florida, and a room tour of a one-bedroom large villa at Tropical Breeze Resort near Siesta Key Village. It's our favorite place to stay here on our annual girls trip. Tropical Breeze Resort now owns many properties in the triangle of Avenida Messina, Columbus Boulevard, and Beach Road. Our suite was located along this winding brick path just one short block from the beach and faced this cute little courtyard which has a picnic table, several grills, an outside shower, and this lovely lush landscaping. Walking along this path after coming off the beach is perfect, with a shower right next to our place. In the cooler months or early mornings, our screened-in porch would be perfect for relaxing. A large one-bedroom suite means an open-concept living and dining area with a pull-out couch, and in this case, a love seat, which gave us all a little bit more space. We've stayed at Tropical Breeze at least 4 times, and the rooms always have the most adorable beach-themed art and decor. Look at those sweet seahorses. One way to save a little money on vacation is to eat in the room, and we love to prep a good grazing table like this one that easily covers 2 meals for us. And of course, having a full kitchen makes storing and preparing meals that much easier. Look at these little starfish details. This is a small alley kitchen, but the open shelving gives it an inviting feel, and the full pantry, the stove, dishwasher, microwave, coffee maker are a complete kitchen and make it really easy to stay here. This one-bedroom suite also has a 1-bathroom with 2 entrances. We thought this was brilliant, as one entrance is straight from the bedroom and one is through the kitchen. There I am, straight off the beach. So both sleeping areas have access to the bathroom at any time. Our large bedroom had a king bed and was open and bright, a wall-mounted TV, and this really cool piece of furniture that looks like an extra large apothecary case. It was neat and functional. There's also a mirror on the back of the bathroom door, which is extremely handy for 3 girls getting ready, and also a large closet which held the linens for the pull-out couch and anything that we wanted to hang, including an iron and an ironing board. We absolutely loved the location of this one-bedroom suite and our proximity to the beach at sunrise, sunset, and all the hours in between. The pier ruins at Beach Access Number 2 make it an even cooler place. In addition, we were still less than 5 minutes from the village for shopping and dining. We can't wait to get back to you, Siesta Key. While there are many rental options on Siesta Key, you can't go wrong with Tropical Breeze Resort by Siesta Key Luxury Rental Properties. See you soon, Siesta Key. Like this video? Be sure to click the like button and subscribe.